So TCP/IP, so it is the collection of protocol which we use to communicate over the internet, right? So when it comes to TCP/IP, we are using some protocol. So this protocol, a collection of this protocol, we are calling a TCP/IP suite. So it will provide the end-to-end connectivity by specifying how data should be packetized, how data should be addressed, transmit, route, and also received on a TCP/IP network. So when it comes to this suite, we have multiple protocol, right? So while TCP and IP are foundational element, the suite encompasses a broader range of protocols that handle various aspects of network communication. We have protocol like this. ARP mean address resolution protocol. This is used to associate an IP address and with the MAC address, right? So it will combine MAC address into IP address. Then we have internet protocol used to deliver packet from the source host to destination device. So here there will be no tracking when you use IP protocol only, but when you combine IP and TCP on that time, we are calling that reliable protocol because there is a tracking. There will be acknowledgement whether your packet is delivered or not. So then we have ICMP protocol, Internet Control Message Protocol, used to detect and report network error condition. So when you use ping command on that time, it is using ICMP protocol. Basically what is happening mean when you ping an IP address or domain name on that time, it will send an ICMP request, echo request. So it will ask, is there any device with this IP address? If any device is there, it will respond with the ICMP echo response message. So after that we have TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. This is a connection oriented protocol that enable reliable data transmission between devices. So that means there is a tracking, right? So it will wait until the acknowledgement is received whether the packet is delivered or not. When it comes to UDP or User Data Gain Protocol, we are calling this unreliable protocol because there is no tracking. A connectionless protocol for data transfer. Since session is not created before data transfer, there is no guarantee of data delivery. So we are using these two kind of protocol. You can use TCP when you want to make sure that information need to send to that particular device. For example, when you send the email or when you are browsing on the internet, on that time, most of time you are using TCP. But when it comes to YouTube live streaming, online gaming, or voice over Ethernet, for example, you are calling someone on that time, it is using UDP because that connection is not a reliable one. After that, we have file transfer protocol, FTP, used for file transfer from one host to another. Then we have telnet protocol to make a secure connection, unsecure tunnel between two devices. So basically we are using telnet for the remote access. Then after DNS, domain name system, used for host name to the IP address resolution. It will assign host name with the IP address. Then after HTTP, used to transfer file, that means text, graphic, image, sound, video, these kind of multimedia files on the World Wide Web. So we have secure version known as HTTPS. So in TCP/IP we had 4 layers. In application layer we are using HTTP, NFS, DNS, Telnet, file transfer protocol, simple network management protocol, this kind of protocol. When it comes to transport layer, we are using transmission control protocol, user data gain protocol. In the internet layer, we are using internet protocol version 4 and version 6, address resolution protocol, internet control message protocol, ICMP. So link layer, we are using Ethernet or token range or FDDI protocols.